Preventative maintenance is the key to keeping your ride running smoothly and safely for a long time. The basics can be found in your owner's manual, so read and keep it handy. In the walk-around, check that the headlights, taillights, and turn signals work, and for signs of body and undercarriage rust. Under the hood, check the battery for any frayed cables, cracks in the casing, corrosion, and dirt. Check that the hoses and belts are snug and free of cracks or serious wear. Quickly check motor oil and windshield wiper fluid levels. Top up if needed. Checking the oil is the most important thing you can do to ensure that your ride runs well. If the level is below the bottom notch, more oil is needed. See the owner's manual for the change interval and oil type best suited to your vehicle. If the oil is really dark or muddy, have it changed. Tire pressure is simple to check and adjust. Tires should be rotated about every 6,000 miles to level out wear. Check tread wear if your tires are a few years old. Tires several years old should be replaced. Engine coolant, antifreeze, and steering fluid are easy to check at a glance with their dipsticks or gauges. Even if you have a mechanic refill them, knowing your levels can prevent unnecessary damage. Filters enable flows and catch impurities. The cabin filter cleans the air that comes into your car, and the air filter prevents debris from reaching the engine. Replacing the filters about every 12,000 miles is easy. Spark plugs are so important to your car, but buildup makes them less effective. Your owner's manual will tell you when to replace them. Once water starts to streak the windshield after every swipe, it's time to swap out old wipers for new. You may only need to replace the blade and not the arm. Manufacturers and retailers make it simple to find the right wiper for your vehicle with online selector tools. Preventative maintenance will improve your vehicle's performance and is super easy to do. Visit AmericanCarCenter.com for more. Let the King of Credit approve you today.